Early one cheery morning, Elena pulled on her bright pink boots and sized up the day ahead. With Davidson tagging at her side and a bouncy stride in his step, the pair found themselves standing at the old wooden gate of Grandpa's farm. The fields stretched out like a patchwork quilt. Elena's eyes grew wide. "Grandpa, look at all that land." Davidson tugged at her sleeve. "And a big red tractor. I want to drive it." Grandpa wiped his hands on his overalls, smiling. "Not today, my boy. First, you'll help me with something very important." He handed Elena a small, sturdy shovel, just her size, and gave Davidson a bright green watering can. "To grow strong plants and tasty veggies, we need good soil and lots of teamwork." They tottered to the garden bed. The earth was hard in places and sprinkled with little pebbles. Grandpa showed Elena how to dig and turn the soil, making it soft for the seeds. Elena copied him, scoop by scoop, feeling proud each time her shovel hit home. Davidson's hands were busy too, tossing rocks out of the way with a triumphant grin. "No rocks for these plants." Before long, Grandpa revealed a little bag of seeds. "These tiny things will become huge surprises." Elena poked little holes in neat rows, and Davidson carefully tucked each seed into a cozy spot, covering them with earth just like snuggling them up at bedtime. "Don't forget a plant's first drink," Grandpa said. Davidson kneeled beside the beds and gently poured water, careful not to make puddles. "Steady now," Elena advised, her eyebrows raised. Grandpa nodded. "That's farm-smart work, you two." Just when their feet were muddy but their smiles were big, Grandpa led them to the noisy chicken coop. Chickens scurried, curious about their tiny helpers. Elena reached below a feathery tail and collected smooth eggs, laying them prettily in a basket. Davidson sprinkled feed on the ground. The chickens pecked and clucked happily, a job well done. Day after day, Elena and Davidson became regular farmhands. Every time weeds tried to sneak up, they were pulled away. If leaves looked thirsty, Davidson watered them, singing a song for good luck. Elena sometimes found sneaky bugs, and Grandpa taught her how to gently shoo them off. Raking became a game to see who could make the straightest lines in the earth. One bright morning, Elena's squeal echoed through the air. "Davidson, come quick!" Out of the brown soil burst a sprinkle of green. Tiny sprouts danced in the sun. "They're awake!" Davidson hollered, crouching down to see. Grandpa smiled. "Looks like you've made the farm come alive." Weeks of work passed, but at last there were shiny red tomatoes, curly green lettuces, and carrots hiding underground. Elena and Davidson each took a basket. "Harvest time means picking with gentle hands," Grandpa reminded. Tomato by tomato, carrot by carrot, their baskets filled with colors and the smell of fresh earth. As the sun dipped and the sky grew golden, Grandpa put his arms around them. "Farming can be tough, but with help, patience, and care, anything can grow." Elena grinned, a bit of mud on her chin. "And kids can help a lot." Davidson nodded. "And we used all the tools." Grandpa winked and whispered, "And because of you, the farm is better. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye."